Hi, I'm Gunjeet Singh. I'm currently working as a data scientist, and my journey into this field was immensely guided by Dimensionless. So, before I got into data science, I worked as a programmer analyst where I got an opportunity to work on a couple of POCs on Azure Machine Learning. And it was then that I gained much interest and I wanted to dive deep into data science and understand all of its concepts thoroughly. As much of the relevant content was readily available on the internet in the form of online courses or books, I decided to start studying on my own. But with time, I felt the lack of proper guidance in understanding some of the concepts or even clearing my doubts. And hence, I wanted to take up a formal training. So I came across Dimensionless and I went ahead with Dimensionless for two important reasons. Firstly, the course curriculum justified the course duration, and secondly, because of highly experienced and seasoned faculties like Himanshu and Kushagar. The course Data Science with R lasted for approximately 4 months, but I never felt that the lectures were monotonous or boring. In fact, the lectures were highly interactive and much driven by practicals rather than theory. Both the faculties provided great support throughout the course and were always ready to help whenever required. Overall, my experience with Dimensionless was excellent, and I truly believe that Dimensionless has helped in shaping my career.